One of the most common New Year's resolutions you hear about this time of year is quitting smoking. But like any addiction, it's not easy to do.
A local group knows the challenges and hopes that a new free program called Together We Quit will help smokers finally kick the habit. Cassie Bonstrom tells us more in today's Health Check report.
As most smokers will tell you, quitting isn't easy.
I know that I need to quit, but it's very hard to quit.
I have attempted like a few times and it failed.
That's why a local group hopes a program using your cell phone may be the key to success.
We want to make sure that people have access to QuitPlan wherever they are, and certainly for a lot of people that's through their mobile phone.
QuitPlan, a free program based here in the Metro, is offering a New Year's promotion. Those who sign up by the 13th will get daily texts, weekly emails, and access to online tips and tools during the month of January.
My phone does not leave my side. I'm with it 24/7.
For Raymond Thomas Schultz, he says having that information literally at his fingertips could be the extra motivation he needs.
Yeah, that'd help. More pushing me to quit smoking. More ambition to quit.
And it will certainly improve, their health, not to mention their pocketbook as well.
Mike Sheldon with QuitPlan acknowledges that texts and emails alone won't do the trick. He suggests smokers also have a well-thought-out plan and support from family, friends, and doctors. But he thinks the online component is certainly an important piece of the puzzle.
That's why we wanted to provide this extra motivation, this extra support for people to really be successful for their New Year's resolution to quit smoking in 2013.
Support that hopefully results in people like Raymond throwing the cigarettes away for good.
I can feel it affecting my health. I'm ready to quit smoking.
If you'd like more information about the Together We Quit promotion or any of the QuitPlan services, you can find a link at our website, 12.tv. Remember, the deadline to register is January 13th.